Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this step-by-step video, I'll show you how to send USDT from Trust Wallet to Binance. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your Binance app and log in. Step 2. Tap Wallet, then Deposit. Step 3. In the search bar, type USDT and tap it. Step 4. Choose the correct network. For example, TRC20 if you're sending USDT TRC20 from Trust Wallet. Double-check the network. If you select the wrong one, you could lose your funds. Step 5. Copy the USDT deposit address shown on Binance. Step 6. Now open your Trust Wallet app. Step 7. Tap on USDT TRC20 in your assets list. Step 8. Tap Send, then paste the Binance address you copied. Step 9. Enter the amount of USDT you want to send and tap Next. Step 10. Review the transaction, then tap Confirm. Make sure you have enough TRX in your wallet to cover the network fees. That's it. Your USDT will arrive in your Binance account shortly. If this guide helped, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more simple tutorials. Thanks for watching.